We're here at the Kentucky Bluegrass Welding Series. It's a new welding series in the state of Kentucky that we are putting on for the high school students here in Kentucky. And there are several competitions in this series, and it will finish off at our annual welding competition at KWI April 13th. So if you're a high school student, hit up your instructor. They should have gotten an email from us or a notification about this series in Kentucky. If not, have them reach out to us and we can set you guys straight on how to register for the next competition coming up in February. The cool thing about this competition in the Bluegrass Welding Series is the judges don't go off of how pretty or ugly a weld is. They go off of the measurements that they get for the blueprints. So you get a blueprint, you weld a coupon, and the judges measure your defects like porosity, undercut, length of the weld, is it in the right spot? And that's really cool because it's not opinionated. They go by the weld procedure, and that's what you're going to have on the jobs out in the real world is QCs are going to go by the weld procedure and what the weld calls for. So get signed up for the Kentucky Bluegrass Welding Series and ask your instructor about it to go to the next one in February. Stay tuned.